Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Bumpy app extremely slow and unresponsive. Click Settings, click About Device, click Storage, then click Clean Up. Click Clean, click Bake, click Apps, click App Management. Find Bumpy app, click Bumpy app, click Storage Use, click Clear Cache. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Bumpy app. Click Bumpy app. If you get any updates, please update. Hope your issue is resolved. If anyone still has problem, then clear app data. After complete all process, if anyone still has problem, it might be server problem. Please try again after a while. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.